Hi everyone, it's time for math. I have a helper here today and it's Silas, and you'll need a partner for your game today too. So it's similar to yesterday's game. We'll be building something and taking things away. We're working on the strategy use counters in subtraction. So we'll be using our counters. You can hear my dog Willow probably wants to come in and also be part of this game, but I don't think that would work out very well. So the first thing that we'll do is, and actually Silas, would you grab that other whiteboard? You'll need to get building supplies, and you'll also need your whiteboard. So I'm going to set this one back here. We'll use that one for our recording part of this. So the first thing that's going to happen is that I am going to build something, and I can decide how many pieces I want to build it with. But I probably don't want to build it with like 99 pieces because that might be a really hard subtraction problem for me to do. But think about what's an appropriate subtraction problem and then build something with that many pieces. So I'm going to build something. I'm going to do something pretty quick here because otherwise you'll have to watch me just building for a really long time and that won't be too much fun. So I have to build something and then I have to count how many pieces I used, and that'll be the first thing that I record on the whiteboard, okay? That will be the whole. So I'm going to stop once I put this last one on. Okay, my job is to build and then record the whole. So the whole is how many I used to build this. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I built with 10 Legos, and I have to record my part on the whiteboard. 10, and I'll go ahead and make the minus sign. 10 minus. Okay, now it's Silas's turn. And now what Silas has to do is pick a number to take away. So go ahead, pick how many you'd like to take away. Okay, now Silas is going to count. Si, will you count how many you took away?
1, 2, 3.
So Si took away 3. Now he's going to record on the whiteboard, just like I did, how many he took away. Okay. So far you can see we have 10 minus 3 written on our whiteboard. Now I want it to be your job. So you can choose to be player 1 who builds sometimes, and maybe sometimes you want to be player 2 who takes a number away. But what I want is for you always to be the player who does the counting at the end, okay? So you'll always have 2 parts where your partner will just have 1, okay? So then your job is to figure out how many are left, okay? This is the difference. Remember, that's the answer in subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 left. And so that's my job now, is to record that. Do you remember what would come after the 3? So 10 minus 3, there's something that comes next. Yeah, equals. And I counted that out, and it was 7. So here's our equation. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Okay, so that's how you'll play today's game. You might be using Legos, you might be using magnet tiles, you might be using blocks, whatever you're using. Player 1, here let me show you, I wrote the instructions up on the whiteboard, so I'm going to move this close so you can see the whiteboard while I go over it one more time, okay? Player 1 builds something, and then player 1 will record the whole. How many pieces did you use for your building? Then player 2 takes some away, and player 2 will record how many they took away. Okay? And then this is your job. See, it says you. Your job is to count how many are left, and your job is to record the difference over here. Okay? That's your job for today. That's your math. I think it should be a fun day. So go ahead, be careful, and have fun, and I'll see you later. Bye.